Hi children and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today we are going to make Bal Gopal apna Lord Krishna, because Janmashtami is coming and we'll make the Bal Gopal roop of our Lord Krishna. So for that what we do is I quickly do it with my pencil, because in case we make mistakes. See, now this is what I'm making his face. I'll be using the T factor here. So first I make the face. This will be the ear somewhere, and this is how you're supposed to do with multiple lines. So this will be the face, and we'll make him in a sleeping position because he's had a lots and lots of makhan, and now because he's had so much of makhan, he's feeling sleepy. So he's sleeping. So this will be his hands. The hands have to be a bit bigger according to the face. So this will be the hands. They are folded inside. Now it goes here like that. This will be the tummy part. This will be the back part, and now he's going to sleep. So having makhan, he's gone to sleep. So we'll make him in such a position. Okay, this will be the position. This will be his langot which he's wearing. Okay, he's a small chap. I've just taken this from a baby's you get cute baby images. I have just taken that image from there and we'll convert it into Lord Krishna's image. We can do that for Lord Ganesh ji also. So this is his legs. Okay, now what we will do is the legs come like that. Now this is his calf. Okay, now he's sleeping, so this will be, let him sleep on a grass. I think so this would be grass. It would be better if we take it as grass. This is his legs. Now we'll make the morpunk, and here we'll make the matka. Okay, the matka from which he has stolen the makhan, because he is known to be a makhan chor, and the makhan will flow from here. It will flow outside. He's already had a lot of makhan and it's flowing here. Now this will be his big tikka on his forehead. I'm using a pencil. In case we make mistakes, we should be able to rub, because this is not a cartoon image which can be done. This is the U factor. This is the position where the nose will come. Now the turn, and the brackets. Okay, and then we should make him smiling and sleeping. So smiley, smiley, he is sleeping. So this is the way he's sleeping with the mutu galu. Okay, now since he's sleeping, his eyes are going to be like that because he's gonna sleep, and because he's smiling, so the eye structure has to be like that. See children, I have a habit of using multiple strokes whenever I make my drawing, and if I'm very confident about it, I just go like that. But here, since we cannot make mistakes, okay, let me make it a little like that. He's thinking, lad koi aa gaya aur meko pakad liya to. So one of his eyebrows is going up in his sleep. Is it looking nice? No. Let it be a simple one. Yes, that will be better. Now this part is going to be rubbed because it has been covered by the hand. Now we need to go for the hairy part. The hairy part can be this, and the shendi is coming here, and he used to wear a bun like that with the hair falling from here. Yes, it is going a little on the matka and it comes down. This again will be the ornament part of it. Then here we shall make the morpunk, very essential part. of Lord Krishna. This drawing we can make in for the Janmashtami. Okay, now this will be the Morpank, so that we will do while we color. Now baki ka parts will get rubbed. Okay, this is the matka, so the matka which is coming inside the hair part is going to get rubbed. So we have made a cute little Lord Krishna sleeping in a very awkward position because he had so much of makhan in his tummy. There is so much of makhan that he's fallen asleep on the grass with little makhan falling, and he's dreaming of still having more makhan. So he's smiling away. So my drawing is done, and we'll do the sketching part of it. Okay, we'll do the sketching part, and then we'll rub the unnecessary lines which we do not need for this. Should we draw something else? Yes, we can draw a butterfly if we wish. This is not a realistic drawing. This is just a drawing. Oh, my butterfly is not going to fit here, but still we can make. So this is the butterfly which we have made with the antennas. So this is the butterfly, and it's coming on Lord Krishna. Okay, so curly hair, very fair, eyes blue, lovely, true. No, his skin is blue, lovely, true. Yashoda's chap, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. See, there are certain parts, we'll have to rub because this is the makhan falling. So this, the piche ka cannot be seen, and the makhan cannot come so down. So this is the matka. I think so. The drawing is done. We'll quickly sketch it now. So I have taken my markers on, and we will quickly sketch the entire drawing. See, if we want to go in for a realistic one, we should not sketch. But here we are not going to make it really realistic. See, this will remain with the gich pitch part because they are the eyes. Okay, now this part can be done, but the upper part need not be done. This part will be done. So children, you all can make this cute little. See, now I'm not doing the upper and the lower part, only this part I'm doing because half will go in the coloring part. Now this is the fat little cheeks, okay, of Lord Krishna. This is his ear. I haven't made any ornament, so let's make one ornament here. Now we can go in for the hair part. So this is the curly hair. Let's make a lut over here. So you should know how to do your drawings, especially why I did the drawing. First I thought I would do the drawing and then just start with the coloring part, but I did it because my small children are opting for such tough drawings, and I want them to know how I do it. See, even I use multiple lines, I never do it. The sketching part has to be multiple lines. Unless and until you're not satisfied with your sketch, you shouldn't go forward. So that is very, very essential. Now this will be the hand. Now the hand is folded, so you can see these knuckles. So the knuckle parts are here. Of course, we will make the ornaments. Now these ornaments can be done with acrylic white color, but still I'm making it. Now this is his hand, which goes here like that, and Krishna ji wears ornaments even here. Okay, now we are making a little awkward position, but still this is the position many kids sleep, and since I have taken this particular position by a drawing of a baby. So the baby was sleeping in this position and I have converted him into Lord Krishna. I feel the hair should go a bit here and let one lut come this side also. It will look cute. So I'm not going to make this part because this part will be made by coloring part. Now this is the talwa, not the front part but the rear part, not this part of his leg. Okay, so yes, and then we go in for the ornaments. Now the show of the coloring will come by, the show of the drawing will come by its coloring part. Now this is the more punk. Now see, I'm just doing it here. This part will go in with the drawing, coloring. Now this is the makhan which is coming out, so I can't border the makhan because even that is white. So a bit of sketching is done, and oh, I forgot the butterfly. You should do some cartoon giri in every drawing. They look cute. So this is the Janmashtami drawing. We are going to make the Independence drawing also. Let me think what we should make, and then we will come back and we will draw. I'm rubbing few parts because too much of pencil will not look good. There are certain parts which needs to be rubbed. This part, okay, I can do it with the color part. So we have rubbed the parts which we do not really require. Yes, this is the part which we require. Let's make a small dimple. So Lord Krishna in his sleeping position is ready to be colored now. So to start with the coloring, we'll start with the face. For that I have taken my grey rose color. See, it is not the pink color, it is not the grey color, it is a light, very light shade of purple color. Grey rose, I'm taking my pink, I'm taking my white, and I'm taking my blue because Lord Krishna is supposed to be blue in color, the dark fellow. So what we do is, first I'm just putting pink wherever I feel that this part needs to be pinky ponky. Okay, now the chiku part, and I leave a little white here. The chiku part, I leave a little white. Of course the lips are going to be pink. And we'll put, no, we don't require. In the hands, first we'll do the face. Now this white part, see, we have done the pink, and I'm just rotating my white here, and we are going to do white here, we are going to do white here. See, again I've broken my color. I don't know, either I press it very hard or the colors are bad. So this is the white pot. Now we'll take the blue and slowly we'll color the entire skin blue. After that the smudging part will start. So wherever we require a little light color, see, this is the part where it will be smudged with white. So see, initially it is not going to look good because I'm not pressing my color here. I'm doing it very lightly because as it is, I am supposed to do this rose pink color on this. So that will give you a dual color. Now I'm pressing my color, and then we are supposed to use our रोज़ ग्रे कलर, नॉट रोज़ पिंक। अदरवाइज बोलोगे तनु आंटी ने तो रोज़ ग्रे बोला था, हमने तो डब्बा ढूंढ लिया, रोज़ ग्रे कलर करके कुछ था ही नहीं। आई एम जस्ट डस्टिंग इट। यस, इट्स हियर ऑल्सो। Now we are using our whites to do the smudging part, the gully technique. And then after we do our bordering well with the black, it's going to look beautiful. So we'll put a little bit of red on the lips here, just to show that they are the lips. A little bit of red and a little bit of red here and a little bit of red here. It's going to smudge, of course. Okay, now we go with this part. So for this part also, what we need to do is white on top. Okay, now we don't require much of pink, it will go till here, the white part. Then we will take a blue color and slowly do the entire part blue. Don't bother about this because we are going to use acrylic colors to do it, so you really don't bother about it. And this is the hands. Now this part, then we'll go for this part. Now again I take my rose grey color and daba ke I'm smudging it off. Okay, you can do it only with blue if you wish. This is so that we use two colors for the body, nothing more than that. See, even my hair, my shindy which is coming here is colored, but I really don't bother because we can redo it. We do this so that we know the positions of the colors. Yes, I feel there should be a little blue here, so I do the blues here and I have to smudge it, and here of course. See, you can see the little pink tinge which is coming on the hand. It is just because we have done this color. Now we go in for the leg part. For the leg part, what we do is we plainly color the lower part with this rose grey and white shading. No blues required because it is the lower part. Now again we take a blue, very lightly we do, then we take our white and chapak say we do, then we take a rose grey, and then we do Children, please make it and post it in on Facebook group Canvas and Scissors, because that's the group where I come to know how my children have performed. So we are through with the skin color. See, now it might not look good. We will do the bordering part, and after we do our bordering part, it's going to look jackass. So don't you worry. So let us take our yellows. I'm taking fluorescent yellow to do a little part of his langot, the upper part, with fluorescent yellow. Later on I will pull it. We can pull it with the yellow part. The fluorescent part will give the roshani part, and then we shall take our orange, and then we shall Actually it's supposed to be, see, I've left a little bit part here. Now I take my yellow and I smudge it, Devani mein hu, just keep it. This langot is done. So his langot is done, and then we take our red color. For that, first what we do is we first color fluorescent color here. After we do a fluorescent color, I will just put my red color on my fluorescent color. Okay, then we take our scraper and the pointed part of the scraper. Can you see the pointed part of the scraper? I've entered this part a bit. You just have to do so this is the design on the langot. Okay, this is the design which we have made on the langot. Similarly, we are going to make design over here on the spot also. So be ready for that, but first let us complete our butterfly. Now since I've done fluorescent yellow here, I feel like doing fluorescent pink here. I love fluorescent colors. So with fluorescent pink, we will pull it with white. I think so that would look best. We can even pull it with red, but then the fluorescent color should be seen. So I pulled it with my white. Now this part has to be brown, has to be yellow. Yellow, dirty pillow sitting on a buffalo. So I'm using fluorescent yellow again. See, fluorescent yellow, and मुंह पे भी fluorescent yellow. उसके बाद हमने किया कौन सा कलर, ये कौन सा कलर होता है? Brown. We are going to make a painting of Radha Krishna also. Huh? Now see, I have taken my fluorescent color and my yellow color, and so I will jump for the matka part. So for the matka part, what we do is, first let's make the border. Otherwise we will get confused. Now I want to do a little bit of design on this matka. So I am taking the design part. This is the design part where we will do the design part, because their matkas used to be very designer types. Huh? Now I'm just making. Okay, now this is the malai wala part. This malai wala part I'm going to do it with acrylic, and I'm using brown here for the lower part, and then we are going to smudge it with our buff color. I'm smudging it with my buff color. Now this is the malai which is falling down. Okay, now for the designer part, we do the brown color on this again. And then we will use our scraper to do some design. So let's make a design. Let the brown part be there. Oh, it should be down. I'll use my nails here. These scrapers, I don't even understand where they are going. Every time I think, नहीं रे, बच्चों को तो पता होना चाहिए scraper कैसे use करने का है. But my nails are better. Now we do gunchi punchi. Okay, this is the gunchi punchi design. Hey, gunchi punchi. Now we will take a little bit of black. Now the matka part has to look nice. See, there you have to work hard when you have to give few colors. You have to play with many colors when you give a nice tone to it. So you should not say, अरे बाबा black करने का तो ये किया ही क्यों? ऐसा नहीं होता बेटा. You have to do the entire thing. Now see, I'm using black here. because this is the andhera wala part. We don't know what is there in the matka. Of course we know. And then we will use the brown because matka is brown in color and the malai is falling from here, and we use a different brown to do this part, okay, with a little bit of whites left. Now when the malai will fall from here, you will understand exactly what I have done. So this much part is almost ready. And now should we go for the hair? Yes, we have to go for the hair. For the hair we will use our yellow gray. It is not yellow, it is not gray, it is yellow gray, the brown shade, the chota bai of gande wala brown. We are going to use chocolate brown and we are going to use black color. Now for that, first what we use is the yellow gray and we quickly make few highlights. See, Lord Krishna also used to highlight his hair. So this is the highlights of the hair. We are going to use black and we are going to use chocolatey brown also. So a little spaces where we have done gande wale brown ka chota wala bai, and that is called yellow gray. Then we have to use black. Now we have to fill it with black and then we'll be smudging it with our browns. Okay, this is the black part. Curly hair, very fair. No, Lord Krishna was not fair. Eyes are blue, lovely too. Do you know that poem? Teacher's pet, chubby cheeks, dimpled chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair. Eyes are blue. Now I'm using my brown bachas. Lovely true. Teacher's pet. Is that you? Yes, yes, yes. We'll have to use a little more of black, I feel. Yes, the highlights are happening, but then it should be dominated with black. You cannot just do black color for the hair, it will look bad. See, this part's, yes, I am doing it with my hand, but then we will be using great strokes of black. Oh, I forgot this part. So this part's gray strokes have to happen. Now see the command. Now we are doing the hair. The way the hair are going, okay? Now there is a shandi coming down here. Let the hair go from here. Even if it comes out a little bit, it's okay, because they are hair, they can go anywhere. We are going to use acrylic white in this, children. If you all have, it's okay. If you don't have, then you all have to manage your whites very carefully. If you all have, fine. If you all don't have, fine. Very nice. Now we shall do the bum 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 bum. Where is my blue color? Where is my papaya green? Oh, where is my light blue? Here it is. So this more punk is light blue and dark blue ka shading. Okay, so light blue and oof. You can do it as you wish. There is no compulsion के ऐसा ही करने का है. And then I'll use my fluorescent color because I have used fluorescent colors here. I'll be using my fluorescent color. I'll be making this also with fluorescent. Then I'll use my olive green and my blues. Then I use my blues and my olive green or sap green. I'll use sap green. I found sap green instead of olive today. So I have done my sap green color here. And I'm going to paint my background. First I'll do the bordering parts and then I'm going to paint my background. So I have done a bit of blues and olive greens, and I know I'm supposed to use a scraper to show you, but for me using scrapers is a little difficult. Now we are just pulling off a little bit of क्या बोलते हैं इसको color to show the Morpunk. Okay, now quickly, see children, if you all are having Staedtlers, please use Staedtlers to do the bordering, because these are minute parts and even my color is very chota. So we have to reborder the entire thing and then we'll go in for painting. I'm going to paint. If you wish to color, it's your choice. I'm no one to tell you anything. ओले इधर तो करना था ना कलर, भूल गए, मेरे को भी भुला दिया. Okay, I'm just removing a little bit of color so that it can be more prominent. I'm not doing anything here because I'm going to do it with my acrylic white. Now this is the way you have to border your entire thing, especially the eye. This sticker I'm going to do it with my marker because this seems to be a little barik wala kaam. Even this work is a little minute work, so I'll be going in for my markers. Though I spoiled my markers, it's okay, but then they need to be done either with a Staedtler pencil, which you get in the market. Okay, and don't buy the 7 rupaye wala Staedtler pencil. That dukandar will give you a glass marker instead of a Staedtler pencil. Staedtler pencil is for 75 rupees, mind it. It is not for 7 रुपया. 7 रुपया वाला होता है ग्लास मार्कर, उससे फिर होता नहीं है. और Staedtler से भी it's difficult to use it because the nook of the Staedtler keeps on breaking. I don't know, you all can be careful and you all can मेरे को पता था इससे करूँगी तो ऐसा होएगा. I'll do it with my marker. Okay kiddos? Oh, I have my marker with me, so let me do it with my marker instead, because I know if I use this is the dimple. Okay, now this is the ear. This is the earring, which again I'll be doing it with the acrylic color. My videos turn to be big, but it's okay. I want you all to know each and every step very nicely. No jig jig, no pig pig, only coloring. No, this is becoming too mortar for the butterfly. So I will come back with my paints. I think so I have to do a little bit of, where's my white color? Okay, it's here. See, this has to be smudged. This was not smudged, so I'm smudging it off. Yes. I'll come back with my paints. So I have my paints ready with me and we shall start with the coloring part. Now for the coloring part, see, I told you he's gone to sleep on the grass. So let us make the grass sap green color. Okay, now there will be halts because we will have to wait for it to dry to do the upper part. So the sap green color grass. Now this malai is falling from here, so we have to give a little space for it to fall. But you have to take a lot of color on your brush when you do this. and we shall make the sky blue, or we can do it colorful. Colorfuls also look very pretty. So I'll quickly wash my brush and we'll color the sky blue. Less of color. I'm starting from the up part because if we start here, the color will mix into each other. So we need to be very careful when we are doing this. We should have kept a little time for it to dry. Don't do jhatapatti, because if you do jhatapatti, nothing will happen, but it will spoil. So बड़ा नटखट है किशन कन्हैया. My voice is not that nice, but whenever I do some painting, मेरे दिमाग में कोई ना कोई गाना बजता ही रहता है. इसलिए see, now here you have to be a bit careful because you'll be doing it. Now I am merging this color in this. So, and I'll be doing a bit of shadows here. I'll have to do a little shadow here, otherwise it will not look nice. And now what I do is I take my toothpick और मैं हवा में कर रही हूँ. If you can do it हवा में, it is okay. If you cannot do it हवा में, you will have to wait for it to dry. Please children, wait for things to dry and then you start your next step. Now my tikka is looking a lot bad, so I'm doing my acrylic on my tikka. I'm not liking it. So, because the tikka is supposed to be good white. Slowly. Okay, now I put a little white here. A little white on the lips. For fun? Yes, for fun. Whites give a shine to the drawing, to the painting. Now see, I'm using my toothpick. I'm dipping my toothpick in white. And देखो मेरा हवा में brush है. And I'm just putting these dots. Every time for new, you have to dip it again. 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 So, ऊपर का हो गया, अभी हाथ का बाकी है. Dip it, dip it, dip. Dip it, dip it, dip. After this is done, we'll be doing a little bit of bordering for this too. कितना बॉर्डरिंग करेगी टीचर? अरे जब तक मेकअप नहीं किया तब मजा कहाँ आया? So this is done, this is done. Now the malai part. See, the malai part has to look mota mota. So a lot of color. It should look as if makhan is flowing from it. So a lot of color and then give it a good dry. Okay, give it a good dry. We'll put a little makhan on his fingers also. Will it look shabby? Should I do it? Chalo, we'll do it. Okay, so a little makhan on his fingers, showing that he has had that makhan. He's the one who is the makhanatzer. Okay, now what I do is, after it dries, see children, I will do it and I will post it. After it dries, I'm going to do a black border and little shadow here, a little shadow of Lord Krishna falling before I post it. Okay, so till then, bye, have a nice day. Make this Krishna, post it on my FB group, Canvas and Scissors. I would just love to see these paintings. Bye.